If your skin always looks overly smooth or fake after editing, you are probably doing it wrong. But don't worry, you have just found the right video. In this video, I will show you one of the easiest and most effective skin retouching technique in Photoshop used by professionals. This method keeps your skin soft and flawless without losing natural texture. First, make a copy of the background layer. Use the spot healing brush tool to easily remove big dark and red spots. This gives great results with minimal effort. Next, duplicate the background copy layer again. Rename this new layer to Skin Retouching. Right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object to keep your edits non-destructive. Change the blending mode from normal to vivid light and press Ctrl and I to invert the layer. Now go to the filter menu, Other, High Pass, and slowly increase the radius until the skin looks completely smooth. This removes imperfections but also removes texture. To bring back the natural skin texture, go to the filter menu, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Carefully adjust the radius until the skin looks textured yet natural. Now the effect applies to the whole image, but we only want it on the skin. For that, create a layer mask and press Ctrl and I to invert it. Select the brush tool, set hardness to the 0% and flow to 11%. Make sure the foreground color is white and the layer mask is selected. Now gently paint over the skin to apply the effect, being careful not to over soften it. Compare the before and after. If the skin looks too soft, first let's copy and merge all the visible layers using the shortcut key Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E and convert it into a smart object. Go to the filter menu, Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. Adjust the sharpness and click OK. That's it. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.